Hello everyone, today I'm making a special dish, Beef Wellington. This classic dish comes from 19th century England. It's named after the Duke of Wellington, a hero of Napoleonic Wars. I'm making it more accessible with beef round and cured ham. Let's get started. You can check the detailed ingredients in the description below. Season the beef with salt and pepper. Then sear the surface lightly in olive oil. Evenly spread Dijon mustard on the surface of the beef. Finally chop the mushrooms and saute them with onion in batter. Add thyme and season with salt and pepper to taste. Place ham on plastic wrap. Spread the excel. Add the beef, then wrap tightly. Roll the puff pastry to a 30 by 30 cm square. Wrap the ham and the excel-covered beef in the puff pastry. After wrapping the meat, keep the dough chilled in the fridge when not in use. Next, roll out another sheet of puff pastry the same way, and create a lattice pattern. Place it over the wrapped beef. Then store any leftover lattice pastry in the fridge for later use. After that, brush the pastry with egg yolk. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes until the pastry is golden brown. Slice the finished beef Wellington. Serve with your favorite side dishes and sauce. This looks mouth-watering. That's it, this is perfect for a special occasion. Next time I'll show you how to make dolma stuffed grape leaves. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.